Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the dark theme to dark from dim to dark on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application. Now you are on the discover page, so click on these three lines up here, then go to the settings, and here you will find appearance. And as you see here, you will find the dark theme, so you can just click on dark, and that's it. That's how to change the dark theme to dark easy and quickly. And if you want to change it to dim, just click on it again like this. So that's it. That's how to change the dark theme to dark easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.